So next one is J, and it says, if the indigent does not want to accept. Very interesting. In one made the vow to give money to a particular indigent, and he refuses to accept it, donor would be released from fulfilling that vow. Okay, so meaning you wanted to give that person money, right, or whatever. He refused, so it's like you are prevented by doing mitzvah beyond your control. Okay, that's very simple. Next one, K, is women. If a woman made a vow to give zakah prior to getting married and did not fulfill her obligation before her marriage, then her husband must discharge the vow for her. Okay. So let's read one more time. If a woman made the vow to give zakah prior to getting married, maybe, right, okay, maybe she started to give in zakah some amount, maybe she did not even start, right, and did not fulfill her obligation before the marriage, right, then her husband must discharge the vow for her. Okay. So discharge the vow, meaning he not nullify the vow, but discharge, he has to pay. Whatever she brought into the marriage, it's actually the obligations, right? So he has to pay for her. It's very interesting. Okay, next one is children. Normally, a boy is not obligated to in the mitzvahs until he has reached 13 years and 1 day, and the girl not obligated to the mitzvahs until she is 12 years old and 1 day. However, concerning the laws of the vows, the Torah considers a boy who is 12 years old and 1 day, and the girl is 11 years old and 1 day, to be responsible for their vows, provided they understand what they are doing. Therefore, regarding the matter of tzedakah, if children have their own money and commit some of it to tzedakah, a boy, 12, would be obligated to honor his commitment, as would 11 years old girl. Okay, so let's do this one more time about the children, and we're going to explain. So first of all, children not obligated in any mitzvahs until the bar mitzvah, which is 13 in 1 day and 12 in 1 day. So when we say one day, like it's that's like legal term, right? 13 in 1 day, but it's their birthday. That's when they obligated to. So meaning 13 complete years, and the birthday it's actually the next year. That's that's what it means, right? So they're not obligated on one hand, but in case of the vows, they consider to be like grown-ups, right? If the boy is 12 years, right? So 1 year less. So they take him to court, for example, if we have a doubt, and they ask him a few questions, several questions, just to understand like if he's mature enough. And same with a girl, right? So girls usually they mature. 11, 12, right? The boys not all of them, but many of them, they're mature enough to understand what they vow, what the value of the money and stuff like that. And so if they make a vow to give tzedakah, like even before the bar of bar mitzvah, 1 year before, so they're obligated to honor that commitment. It's very interesting. I think it's the only exception. Maybe there are other exceptions, but on the top of my head, I know about only this one. Right. Right. Okay. Continue.